Weight loss. How much and when should you have green tea? 1. How green tea helps you lose weight. Metabolism is the process that allows the body to convert your food and drink into usable energy. Green tea is said to be good for weight loss as it helps in making the body's metabolism more efficient. It is catechin flavonoid, which is an antioxidant and boosts metabolism. 2. How much green tea you should drink for weight loss. Drinking 2 to 3 cups of green tea in one day is sufficient for supplementing weight loss, recommends a study conducted by the University of Maryland Medical Center. The exact amount will vary from person to person depending upon their natural metabolism. 3. The right way to prepare green tea. When it comes to enjoying the taste of green tea, how you brew it can make all the difference. Do not overheat the water, as excess boiling will damage the catechins. For the best taste and result, boil water and then allow it to rest for 10 minutes. Then pour it over the tea leaves and brew it for a minute before pulling out the leaves. 4. Green tea varieties. Green teas are available in a number of varieties, but for weight loss, there is not much difference between them. Plain, minimally processed green teas have the richest nutritional content and thus are considered best for weight loss and other health benefits. 5. Green tea is a natural diuretic. It is also a natural diuretic, which makes it ideal for treating and combating fluid retention. Drinking green tea regularly can reduce the body fat up to 19%. Matcha tea is considered to be more nutritious as you dissolve and drink the tea leaves themselves. 6. The best time to drink green tea for weight loss. For weight loss, you can have green tea right after your meals. But you should do it if you do not have a sensitive stomach because green tea is alkaline in nature and stimulates the secretion of extra gastric juices.